Hey guys, this is Rob Lucas from Ford of Uniontown, coming to you for episode 4 of our web series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Active Park Assist. Now Active Park Assist allows you to parallel park and perpendicular park all by yourself. So let me show you how. So today we're going to be using a 2018 Ford Expedition Limited. It's the last one on the lot here, guys, so make sure you come scoop it up. This one does have the Active Park Assist. As you can see, it's right behind the drive mode. So let me show you how to work it. First, you're going to put it in drive, obviously, and then you're going to press the Active Park Assist button. So when you click it the first time, it's going to automatically go to parallel park. If you click it a second time, you can go to perpendicular park. Right now, as you can tell, it's sensing out of the right side of the vehicle, looking for a spot to the right. If you signal to the left, it'll actually be looking for a spot to the left-hand side of you. But we're gonna be looking for a spot to the right, all right? So just continue to drive until you find a spot. I'm gonna try to grab one of these two spots right here. Okay, it found the spot. You're gonna come to a complete stop. Now shift into reverse. You have to control the gas and the brake. If you do not control the gas and the brake, it is your fault if it crashes into another vehicle. So, as you can tell, it's going to be backing up. Now, if you do grab a hold of the steering wheel like I'm going to, it'll deactivate the Active Park Assist. Okay, we're going to switch back into drive. We're going to look for another spot. Found the one back there. Shift it into reverse. Shift it back into reverse. And there you go. So guys, I hope that helped you out quite a bit. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our new YouTube page. If you guys want to check out any new Fords, just contact myself up at the dealership. And then I'll just see you guys on Wednesday. If you guys want to see anything in particular, just let me know. Just leave it in the comments. Thanks, guys.